also, and Ate Panmui. This is the youngest daughter of Ate Panmui, and she likes joining beauty contest. Sometimes, akala nga nila, hindi ko anak. Kasi, napakaganda raw. Sabi nila, Ate Panmui, anak mo ba talaga yan? Baka naman, napalit kang sa hospital. Ayan ang ebidensya, o diba? Pareho kami, beauty queen. Ha 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 ha. Makita nyo naman, like mother, like daughter. Kaya lang yata, peke. Ayan, siya ang anak ko susumali sa mga beauty events at siya ay nakapunta rin sa iba't ibang lugar. Sa UK, sa sariling sikap, she likes sports also, and she joined different contests like Santa, and still nagmo-model din siya. And yan, kaya I'm proud of her because she never give up of her dreams. Sila yung tatlong magkakapatid. Next time vlog ko sila. And this is one na nag-join siya sa Malaysia as a Hong Kong tourism representative. I love you. I love you. I'm proud of my daughter. Be proud of your daughter. This is Ate Panmui.